Have you ever been watching a thunderstorm and noticed something weird? You always see the bright flash of lightning first, then a few seconds later you hear the loud boom of thunder. But wait, aren't lightning and thunder happening at exactly the same time? So why don't we see and hear them together? Today, we're going to solve this mystery and learn some cool science about light and sound. Lightning and thunder are actually created at exactly the same instant during a thunderstorm. When electricity jumps through the air, it creates both the bright flash we see and the loud sound we hear. Think of them like twins. They're born at the exact same moment, but they travel to your eyes and ears in completely different ways. The lightning bolt heats up the air so quickly that it creates a shockwave, and that shockwave is what we call thunder. Light is incredibly fast, so fast that it can travel around the entire Earth 7 times in just 1 second. Light moves at about 300 million meters per second, which is faster than anything else in the universe. When lightning flashes, the light reaches your eyes almost instantly because the distance from the cloud to you is tiny compared to how fast light travels. It's like light has superpowers and can teleport from the sky to your eyeballs in a split second. Sound travels much slower than light, only about 340 meters per second through air. That might seem fast, but compared to light, sound is like a snail racing a rocket ship. Sound needs time to travel from the lightning bolt to your ears, and that's why you hear thunder after seeing lightning. The sound waves have to push through all the air molecules between the storm and you, which takes time. Imagine light and sound are running a race from a storm cloud to your house. Light takes off like a superhero and reaches you almost instantly. Bam! You see the lightning. Sound starts running at the same time but moves thousands of times slower, so it arrives several seconds later. Boom! There's your thunder. This race happens every single time lightning strikes, and light always wins by a huge margin. The farther away the lightning is, the longer sound takes to catch up. Here's a cool trick you can use during the next thunderstorm. Count the seconds between when you see lightning and when you hear thunder. Then divide that number by 5. That tells you roughly how many kilometers away the lightning struck. For example, if you count 10 seconds, the lightning was about 2 kilometers away. This works because sound travels about 1 kilometer every 3 seconds, so dividing by 5 gives you a quick estimate. Understanding the difference between light and sound speeds isn't just cool science. It can keep you safe. If you see lightning and hear thunder right away, the storm is very close and you should get inside immediately. If there's a long delay, the storm is farther away and you have more time. Weather scientists use this same principle with special equipment to track storms and warn people about dangerous weather heading their way. This lightning and thunder phenomenon shows us that physics is all around us in everyday life. The next time you watch a thunderstorm, you'll know exactly what's happening. You're witnessing an epic race between light and sound where light always wins. It's amazing that something as simple as watching a storm can teach us about the fundamental forces of nature. Remember, lightning and thunder are created together, but they travel to us at completely different speeds, creating nature's own special timing system. What's the closest lightning strike you've ever experienced? Tell us how many seconds you counted between the flash and the thunder.